and all the local MLA who are fall under the township or city government, unlike William Nagar, Joy, Tura, and Nopo, so and so. So, and the main issues first we are always discuss about the Nonghali landfill. Actually, we are ready to take a final call on that. And very, very unfortunate, it seems there's one of the village residents who moved to court. So that is slightly issue in line with the court. That's why we got stopped for landfill in Nonghali. So therefore, let us wait for that. And pertaining to the other part of the state, we are very aggressive to have a landfill actually in every headquarters of the states. And I'm happy to inform you for now for landfill, we already sanctioned 5 crore 80 lakh something, and the work is under progress now. And we are moving towards like Nongston, William Nagar, Tura, and Clarion also. I already installed my officer to work accordingly. It's better at the right time to have a landfill in every town and cities of the respective places.
What about the landfill in Jowai town?
Jowai almost final, so now we are prepare all the necessary clearances from the respective department. And first of all, they should get fast anything from the respective village or the ilaka where the exact place falls. And after that, we have to move to pollution. And when everything is clear, we go for the hearing and we come.
So land has been identified.
Identify 3-4 places, but we are yet to find out which one is feasible. Because identification, always we have to go for 2-3 places. We cannot stick only one.
And what will happen to the existing landfill?
You see, frankly speaking, I don't know to tell the place where is it, because there is so many people want to resist. So therefore, let us keep in closer and quick. We are finding the window only. We have to conduct public hearing.
So the case is where? The pending case?
Pending case Nonghali. Some of the Nonghali residents went to court, so we are slightly got stuck with that. So let us see. Hopefully, it's very soon.
But there was also planned by the government to make it into a scientific sort of.
No, obviously, that is obviously. Now, every new landfill that we have proposed always with scientific man, not manual anymore. Institutional allowed.
So
Institutional allowed.
that legacy waste project in...
That was on. Now, even the old existing waste in the Morton is already finished, almost finished. More than 2.5 lakh tons already taken out. So now, maybe in a few years, the place will look nice and green. So in the meantime, while we are waiting for the new landfill, so even the old landfills now is the legacy process already on the job site. 80% of the thing has been taken out from the place.
But the problem, the landfill in Nonghali, the resident that they are opposed to the one, we can only
Yeah, the local people only. Because all those rivers will be taken care of by the pollution acts.
How many kilometers landfill up to the Boba?
No, actually, I didn't know exactly how many kilometers, but it's a good space. It's a good distance. It does not affect the river. Does not affect the river.
Not affecting the environment.
No. That's why we need pollution. Pollution will work accordingly. No? That's why we need pollution in place. But very soon it will affect. Very soon it will affect.